Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on March 15, 2026, just 3 days ago. It introduces the first benchmark dedicated to evaluating the step-by-step effectiveness of large language models in realistic, tool-augmented tasks, finding that top models like Gemini 3 Flash Preview Thinking achieve roughly 82% step accuracy. The paper is titled AgentProcessBench, Diagnosing Step-Level Process Quality in Tool-Using Agents. And, as we'll see later, the results highlight a really surprising fail-fast phenomenon, with significant implications for how we train these models to catch and correct errors. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Well, Figure 1 lays out the full landscape of step accuracy across 20 different large language models. On the left side, we see open-source families like Llama and QN, which generally score between 35 and 68%. Then, moving to the right, the proprietary models really pull ahead. The Gemini 3 Flash Preview Thinking model tops the chart at nearly 82%, which confirms that models explicitly trained to pause and generate internal reasoning chains perform significantly better at evaluating these complex tool use steps. Alright, Table 1 compares AgentProcessBench with existing reward benchmarks. Most prior datasets are confined to closed-world domains like math, where errors are strictly logical. In contrast, AgentProcessBench evaluates interactive tool use across web, command line, and application programming interfaces. The bottom row shows it uniquely provides human annotations for dynamic environments across 8,500 steps. This creates a resource for training process reward models, which are secondary AI systems evaluating intermediate steps instead of just final outcomes. Okay, Figure 2 illustrates how the benchmark evaluates a complete interaction trajectory, which simply means the full back-and-forth conversation between the user and the agent. In the first turn, the user claims to be a gold member, and the assistant responds appropriately, earning a +1 label. But in the second turn, the agent makes a critical mistake by offering compensation without actually verifying that membership status. This unverified assumption earns a -1. Catching these intermediate errors is exactly why step-level evaluation is so crucial, because it prevents irreversible actions like issuing the wrong refund later on. So, Figure 3 breaks down the pipeline for AgentProcessBench. Starting on the left, the authors sample 1,000 diverse agent trajectories from 4 tool use benchmarks. Next, the middle panel highlights the expert annotation. Human reviewers independently label each step, achieving an 89% agreement before resolving discrepancies. Finally, the right panel details the evaluation phase. Here, 20 models are tested, using a radar chart to visualize their step accuracy and their ability to pinpoint the root causes of failures. Table 3 details the performance of these 20 models across 4 diverse datasets. We evaluate 2 main metrics: step accuracy for overall correctness and first error accuracy, which tracks how well a model pinpoints the initial mistake. Looking at the proprietary thinking models, Gemini 3 Flash Preview Thinking leads, reaching an average step accuracy of nearly 82%. In contrast, the bottom section shows the strongest open-source thinking model, QN 330 billion, tops out around 69%. Finally, while internal reasoning generally boosts performance, moving to complex tasks like the GIA dataset causes noticeable accuracy drops across the board. Wrapping up, 2 main takeaways stand out. First, current models still struggle to distinguish neutral exploration from actual errors. More importantly, using these step-level signals provides crucial value for training, ultimately paving the way for safer, more reliable autonomous agents. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.